So here's how to fix Nvidia app unable to retrieve settings or GeForce unable to retrieve settings. So first what you want to do is open the start menu and then type Nvidia app or GeForce in here, and then right click on the Nvidia app and run it as administrator and see if that solves the problem. Now if you still have the issue, what you can do is right click on the start button, click run, and in here you want to type %temp %sign again and press OK. Now you want to select everything in this temp folder and you want to right click and delete it. So select everything, right click and delete to delete the temp files. And then we will need to do the same again, right click on Windows Start and then run. But this time you want to remove the %sign and then press OK again and then press continue to authorize this. And now you want to remove these temporary files as well by right clicking them and clicking delete. Now once these files are deleted, you can close this. Next, we will need to open the services. Right click on the taskbar, open task manager, go to services, then open services. In here we want to search for Nvidia services. So you should see three services like this, and double click on the first service. Make sure the startup type is auto and then start it if it's not running already in the service status here. Now you can press apply and OK. Do the same for the next, automatic and start it. Then you can apply OK. Next for the Nvidia local system container. Do the same, set it to automatic and start it if it's not already running. Then press apply and OK. Now, if this Nvidia display container service is already running, try to restart it by right-clicking it and click restart and wait for the service to be restarted. Now you can close this and then try to open the Nvidia app or GeForce as admin again. Right-click and run as admin and then confirm. And that should solve the problem. Now, if you're still having issues with it, what you can do is right click on the Windows Start button and then go to installed apps. And in here, you want to search for Nvidia. And then click on the three dots next to Nvidia app or GeForce. And then click on uninstall to uninstall the app. And then you can go to your browser, open your browser, and then search for Nvidia app again or GeForce. Now you can click on download and download it again and perform a fresh install of the Nvidia app. And then you should reboot your computer and that should generally solve the issue. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.